Alright, so here's the finished product. I actually made this video a while ago and I forgot to finish it and edit, so here it is. But for starters, it was all just like a scrap metal thing. I took an old scrapped chair base, had good little wheels on it, and it could take a little bit of weight. And then I kind of just added the scrap pieces I had around to form the bottle carrier. And then from there, I made sure I had a little bit of height to sit the welder on top. And then this is just a small TIG welder. It's an Everlast. It's a 185 or yeah, 185. Great little TIG machine. So a few things that I left out that I wish I included is just some stuff to hold the lines, the ground line and the foot pedal and the torch line. I did not include anything for that, so that would be something I can add because I haven't powder coated it or nothing. I'm just going to leave it as the bare steel, so I can add as I go. But I'm still able to get this whole unit in there and wheel it in and then pull it out and do quick jobs. So it's super sweet little setup. But yeah, that's how it turned out. So if you're looking to do your own little TIG cart, hopefully this gives you some inspiration. Honestly, not too much metal involved, if you can tell. Like, have this little main piece, and then I got these little post pieces, but really it's very bare minimum. And then I got myself a nice little TIG cart, and now I can be in my garage, which is already, there's not enough room in here, and I can take this guy and move it around super easily. When I'm doing quick mobile jobs, I need to get closer, I just pull this guy. It just makes things a lot easier to have your welders on wheels at all times, no matter the size really. Even my big welders at work, having it on a wheel system and being able to move it around the shop is always useful. So just something I built for my little garage setup, and something I try and inspire people to get their own little TIG carts going. So let me know in the comments. Let's see your builds.